Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up your input files. This prevents losing custom mappings. Launch GTA V, pause the game, and open Settings, then Key Bindings. You want keyboard bindings visible. If a controller is connected, unplug it now so the menu shows keyboard options only. Once done, note any conflicting keys on paper or screenshot the defaults. This lets you revert quickly. Now select the action you'll remap first and press Enter to begin reassignment. Don't skip the backup step. You pick an action and press Enter to record a new key. Press the desired keyboard key to assign it. If the game reports a conflict, clear the other action or choose a different key. Duplicates cause unpredictable behavior. Make incremental changes. Remap one or two functions, save, and exit menu so changes persist. Also make sure dead zone and sensitivity settings remain suitable if you changed movement or camera keys. Once comfortable, repeat for remaining keys, saving after each set to lock in your layout. You finish by saving and exiting the settings, then immediately test in-game controls. Try walking, aiming, and interacting. If keys reverted or behave oddly, close GTA V and restore your original backup config file, then relaunch. If a single binding still conflicts, open key bindings and reset only that action instead of doing a full reset. This isolates the problem. Finally, make a fresh backup of the working layout so you can recover quickly next time. That one extra save prevents repeated troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.